Google plans on producing less than a million Pixel 5 smartphones this year, according to a report. Google to pay publishers $1 billion over 3 years for their content. Facebook merges Messenger with Instagram's direct messages. WhatsApp enables always mute new storage UI media guidelines features in latest Android beta. Telegram update brings search filters, anonymous admins and channel comments. OnePlus Nord OnePlus 7 series Oxygen OS update brings September 2020 security patch, other optimizations. Google plans to produce less than 1 million Google Pixel 5 smartphones this year as per a report. This is a modest goal for the tech giant to set for the flagship Google Pixel 5 that has just been launched. Google Pixel 4a 5G was also launched alongside Pixel 5 and the Pixel 4a a few months back. Initial production for all three models is set at just 3 million units, the report added, as Google's total handset sales last year fell below the company's target and market demand had further been hit by the pandemic. Citing sources, the report by Nikkei Asia claims that production for the flagship Google Pixel 5 could be as low as around 8 lakh units. Google has reportedly given a relatively conservative forecast for the flagship phone this year as Google Pixel 4 did not sell well last year and the market demand this year has been affected by the coronavirus pandemic. Alphabet's Google plans to pay $1 billion, that is roughly Rs 7,315 crores to publishers globally for their content over the next 3 years, said its CEO, a move that could help it win over a powerful group amid heightened regulatory scrutiny worldwide. News publishers have long fought the world's most popular internet search engine for compensation for using their content, with European media groups leading the charge. CEO Sundar Pichai said the new product called Google News Showcase will launch first in Germany and in Brazil. Photo sharing platform Instagram has started rolling out the option to connect Instagram direct messages with Messenger. It means that one can now send messages to Messenger people from Instagram and the other way around. Facebook announced the update in a blog post. The feature will show up to some users when they open the app. Users can still keep their Messenger and Instagram DMs separate if they wish to do so. However, if the user does update, the somewhat simple messaging experience on Instagram will become very similar to Messenger. This means Instagram users will be getting features such as message forwarding and customizing chat threads with custom colors and nicknames. WhatsApp is enabling multiple features for Android beta users to tinker with. This includes a useful always mute feature, a new storage usage UI and its tools, and another feature called Media Guidelines. The instant messaging platform has released WhatsApp 2.20.201.10 beta for Android, and it also has been discovered that video and voice call buttons for business accounts have disappeared. The new features have been enabled in the latest beta, but the waiting time may be a little more for some. WA Beta Info dug into the latest WhatsApp beta for Android and spotted several new features in testing. The most exciting of all is probably the always mute feature, which essentially replaces the one-ear option available earlier when muting a chat. Telegram has introduced a slew of features including search filters, anonymous group admins, channel comments, and more in its recent update. Search filters will allow users to find memes on Telegram Cloud. The anonymous admins will keep the name and identity of the admins hidden in the list of group members. They just have to enable Batman mode to post as an anonymous admin in a group. The third new feature is channel comments to keep discussion in a group more civilized. According to a blog post by Telegram, users will now be able to find media, links, files, and other more easily with the new search filters. For example, in order to search links shared on a particular date, users can just type August 14 or yesterday and the app will return the results accordingly. OnePlus Nord and OnePlus 7 series have got September security patch in the form of Oxygen OS 10.5.8 and Oxygen OS 10.3.5 respectively in India. The development was shared on the OnePlus forums for the smartphones. The OnePlus Nord gets a couple extra optimizations with the update as well, whereas the OnePlus 7 series consisting of the OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro gets some system improvement only. The over-the-air update for the Nord and the OnePlus 7 series is being rolled out in a staged manner. The OnePlus Nord update brings some system improvements, camera and display tweaks, and network improvements. The OnePlus Nord gets a hide silent notifications and status bar feature that can filter unimportant notifications.